After 4 months of boat jobs, making our way up the coast, we have finally made it out to the Great Barrier Reef. It's time to start filling up our freezers with some fish. We spent a week anchored up in the lagoon, hiding from some 40-knot winds, exploring the reef as well as the island.
Just Josh, please, I'm dying here.
And we caught up with these legends. What a ripper of a spot to celebrate my birthday. Hello, this is Heidi, Zara and Josh. Follow us on our new adventure on board Sailing Catamaran Pacific Star.
Pulled up at Lady Musgrave. It's still pretty windy here, on like 20 knots, so can't be bothered getting off the boat at the moment after like a 20-hour sail. Might just have a cook up instead and a beer.
These bad boys. We're gonna cook some linguine tonight. Crabby linguine. So just done the onion, I'm gonna use lemon, bit of tomatoes, fresh parsley from my dead veggie garden, and just simple ingredients. So we're gonna whip it all together and fingers crossed it will turn out.
Gardening tip for the day, don't trust Heidi with a plant.
It may have got wet from the seawater, but it's still living, kind of.
You good?
So good. So good.
Nice. Bird smacked into the windscreen last night. I just spewed out all that shit. Poor bugger. Anyway, let's send up this dongle up the mast, see if we can get some weather. See what's going on.
We managed to catch a few grassies that afternoon and we had a little bit of fun with this guy.
Is it big, is it? Bring it in, it looks like a keeper. Finally come good, as you can see by all the boats that are rocked up to Lady Musgrave. Just going to shoot out, see if we can pick up a trout or something. That's an instant easy go on that one. Actually, I thought the other one got off, so yeah. Big battered trout and some potato scallops. Chuck these in the dishwasher.
We headed over to Lady Musgrave Island to stretch our legs. There is many bommies surrounding the island. Great snorkeling spot if you're a scaredy cat like myself. There's so much marine life to see. The beaches were gorgeous, full of coral and shells. Walking trails through the island, and you can also camp here. Pretty cool, isn't it?
Bird. Oh no.
It's so sad.
So sad.
Yeah.
Okay. It's a little bit sad. Circle of life.
You can walk around the island in approximately 30 minutes.
Look, it's alive. Pretty windy. It's blowing between about 30 knots up to about 35 sometimes.
After a few days hiding out in a lagoon with 40-knot winds, it was great to finally catch up with Pete and Heather from Spider. We had been talking over social media and finally got to meet these guys in person.
Look at who this is! I know that boat! Hey, oh.
It was good to catch up with these legends and have a few drinks.
Yeah, in the gully.
Try fish patties.
Pretty good.
A few days later, the weather cleared up and it was my birthday.
Yeah, just Josh, please, I'm dying here.
Why?
Because if it comes up to the boat, I'm going to... We'll go close to the reef then.
Thought I'd surprise Heidi with providing our own personal whale watching tour.
It's my birthday. I want to make it to 40 at least. Please, Josh.
Oh wow, look that, look.
And this is how I spent the rest of my afternoon. In the sun, with Prosecco, relaxing, and as well as a little bit of dancing too. Happy 39th birthday to me! Woo!
Roast pork on. Didn't tackle up because the bloody gas ran out. 45 minutes in. Oh well. Beautiful day. And tomorrow the wind's blowing from the south, so we're going to head off to Fitzroy Lagoon. Leaving Lady Musgrave Island. The big boat hit a bombie on the way out, but he managed to get himself off. Pretty lucky because the tide's still ripping out at the moment. Getting carried out with the tide.
Next episode, we visit Fitzroy Reef. It's blown its guts out and we come across an abandoned life raft.
The water police are coming to check it out. It hasn't moved, so I don't know. It's either attached to something on the ground.
Pacific Star, VMR Gladstone, VMR Gladstone.
Rain shine on. Spinnaker up.
You! We're just pulling up to the Keppel Islands. Yeah, baby.
Please like our video. Thank you.